Hey everyone, welcome back to MaryFox Crypto, the channel where you're subscribed for the latest Bitcoin news, price action, and all things crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin, and as you can see by the title, something very concerning is happening right now. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. If you are new here, welcome. Please leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And if you are an experienced trader, make sure to check out the link in the description of this video. You can get up to $1,600 bonus on BYBIT if you sign up with my link and make a deposit. And of course, this way you will support my channel and get free money for your trading. So with that being said, let's start talking about the price of Bitcoin, and we will start by looking at a 4-hour chart. And if you saw my last video, you probably know how I was talking about the Ichimoku cloud and how this indicator was perfectly acting during this bull run. So we will continue looking at it and talking about it. On the 27th of April, this is when I posted my last video, and I told you that even though the price was still within the red cloud, we started forming the green cloud because the leading span A crossed above the leading span B, which is this red line just below the cloud, and we started forming this green cloud. And then we had a crossover. The conversion line went above the baseline. The baseline is this yellow line on my chart. You can choose any color you want. And at that time, we already had the support of this lagging span or the mountain, which meant that we have a very high probability of going up. And I said that you should prepare for a huge move, and all the signals were bullish. So this is exactly what happened. The price went up $3,000 since that moment, and we're still seeing this green cloud forming. But what is concerning is that even though the price is still above the baseline, which is a yellow line, right now the price is trying to break below the conversion line. This is not very good for the price of Bitcoin. We can of course manage right after that to go back up, just like it happened here. This huge red candle sent the price below the conversion line, but after that we saw another just about the same size green candle, and then the price started trading above the conversion line. And we can see the same thing happening right now. We still have a support of a lagging span because, as you can see, this green line is really high. It's way above the closing price of this candle. So we still have the support of the mountain. We are still above the baseline, and we are just a little bit below the conversion line. However, the cloud is still green. We just had a crossover between the conversion line and the baseline, which is a bullish signal. So this still looks pretty bullish to me. However, this candlestick formation is not looking very bullish to me. I really like this crossover between the conversion line and the baseline because this is always a great bullish signal. However, we still need to get the price back above the conversion line. Now let's look at a 1-hour chart. On a 1-hour chart, things are not looking that great right now. However, we are still forming this green cloud, but the price is already below the conversion line, and it is also below the baseline. However, we still have the support of a lagging span, and the price is trading above the cloud, which is very good. So as long as we have the support, I'm not that concerned about the price of Bitcoin. Right now the cloud is still green, but the lagging span is going down, and we might actually lose the support of the mountain, and the price is also falling below the baseline, which is also not a very good sign for the Bitcoin price. Now let's look at a daily chart of Bitcoin. On a daily chart, we are still forming a red cloud, and right now the price is actually above the conversion line and the baseline. However, the conversion line is way below the baseline, which is not a good sign. And what is also important is that we do not have the support of the lagging span yet. However, the lagging span is trying to break above the closing price of this candle, and if it actually breaks above the closing price of this candle from beneath, this would be a very good bullish signal. Speaking about the area of resistance, we have a very strong resistance area at around 58 $100,000. We have already tried to break it 4 times, and we are still trying to do so, but it is very difficult for Bitcoin to break above this level. What is actually concerning is that the Bitcoin dominance is going down, and more people are getting interested in different altcoins, in different scammy projects, and they're investing their money, they're selling their Bitcoin and spending that money to invest in some random scammy project which has, let's say, good marketing team or something like that, or just a lot of people are promoting that. And as the Bitcoin dominance is dropping, there is a really high probability that we might see a bigger correction than we expected, because if more and more people will continue taking their money out of Bitcoin and investing it in different projects because they're hoping to get rich really quickly on those projects. And you should always remember, during this bull run, it is actually not that difficult to double your money by investing in some altcoins or some scammy projects. But what is more difficult is to keep that money, because when the price of Bitcoin will drop, altcoins will just follow it. If you are relying on different altcoins and you think that this is a good place to keep your money, this is actually a really bad idea. Take your profit and invest it in something more stable so you don't end up losing all of it. For example, Bitcoin. So I think that was all for today's video. If you are an experienced trader, I want to remind you to check out the link in the description of this video. You can get up to $1,600 bonus on BYBIT for your trading for free if you sign up with my link and make a deposit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave your comments down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.